There we go. That's better framing. So yeah, this is part of their winter collection. And this, how fire is this? Bunch of sheep out on the farm. This looks like Utah, Colorado, Southwest somewhere, kind of out by me, California. That, I love that. Now on this drop they also had a hoodie that was all like winter pine trees covered in snow. It was so dope, but I just don't need more hoodies. For that matter, I also don't need more sweatshirts. So you could say that, and you would be right. So it's just, I'm a grown adult. I just feel like hoodies, I can wear them in less instances. I feel as a part of working society as an adult, I can wear crew necks in more situations. So push came to shove, I felt like this. This also I felt like was more seasons, all seasons. Like if somehow I was in a cold weather climate in the summer or colder weather, I could wear this. The hoodie I felt was very winter specific. All those trees covered in snow. So even if it was a chilly June day wherever I was at, I felt like I couldn't wear that hoodie. This on a chilly June day, if I happen to be somewhere where it's cold in June, I feel like I could get away with wearing this. So that was my thought process. Overall, I think I like the hoodie more, but this was dope, and I just felt it was slightly more versatile. You might be looking at it and be like, how is a crew neck with this scenic outdoor sheep scene versatile? Well, that's also a good question. I'm gonna try not to get this dirty. I should have cleaned my floor first, but that, you gotta like that, right? If anyone in the comments dislikes this, feel free. It's subjective. Let me know in the comments if it's not your cup of tea. Be nice about it, but you can let me know if that's not your thing. I get it. I think it's dope. I wish I had all the money in the world because I would have bought that hoodie too. They're doing some really dope stuff. Some of the Olympic KITH stuff, fire. I don't know how re-wearable KITH winter line is, USA Olympics. I can't just buy everything, so I had to show some restraint. I mean, look at this pile of stuff I bought. All right, on to the next package, unwrapping. Should I title this unwrapping? That I don't think is clickbaity enough. I don't think anyone would click that. The search engine optimization on that is probably pretty poor. So this, I have been eyeing this from Stussy forever. Stussy. I don't know how, I think Stussy's the correct way, but everyone says Stussy, so I'm going to go with what everyone says. I've been eyeing this piece for a long time now. And that's how you know you really want something that's worth the buy. When you've been thinking about it not nonstop, but just repeatedly over the course of a month and it hasn't slipped your mind, that's the sign. I've been looking for this, waiting for it to drop on sale. Hasn't really ever dropped on sale. Went out of stock, went back in stock. I'm like, okay, before it goes back out of stock and is gone forever and I have to buy never be able to get it, I'm going to cop. So again, that is how you know something is worth the buy. You just can't shake it from wanting it. So this is the Stussy Sherpa vest. Now that is a wild pattern. That is wild. Here, I'll go into some of the details. I didn't really show. Here, go back to the other one really quick in case you're wondering. On the crew neck, they do this really high quality, like it's thin but thick. Does that make sense? It's a lot of high thread count, I should say that, So it's not like with thickness, but you can tell this is a substantial material. It is knitted close together. So that's the material on this KITH sweatshirt. And part of the reason it's so expensive along with the graphic of the design. Anyways, dope sweatshirt. Had 2 KITH hoodies. Don't need more. That's why I didn't get that. Okay, moving on. Now the details on this. You got this nylon inside. You got a vest pocket up here with a Stussy branding. Zip pocket. I think this is just wild. You throw this over a t-shirt, fall, winter, early spring, and you're chilling. Or not chilling, depending on... Okay, that was a stupid joke. I just felt like this is a perfect blend of like new, but like looks vintage. Like this, you could see this being a wild vintage piece you found in a thrift store. Or if you're in LA like me, at a thrift store and priced for $400. So I think this is just dope. I can't wait to wear this. This is one of those things. This is a total fancy pants piece, to refer to myself in the third person. This is classic me. This is something that only I, in my circle of people that I hang out with, family, friends, that only I would wear. No one else that I know well in my circle would wear this. And I would get a lot of comments and like raised eyebrows, but you know, this is my type of flair. This is just a very me piece. Again, let me know in the comments what you think of it. I think this is dope. This screams me. Have something this wild on top. I love also too, because I have so many like t-shirts. I'm a big t-shirt guy, and vintage t-shirts I've got into in the last 4 years. Have a lot of vintage shirts. I like this because you just wear it open, throw a cool t-shirt underneath. This is wild enough, so probably it makes more sense to wear a basic shirt underneath, and or hoodie or whatever, and basic pants. But yeah, I can't wait to wear this. Unfortunately, when you're not getting basics or monochrome stuff, like repeat wearing kind of like, you know, goes down, because this stands out so much. People will notice you in it all the time, and you don't want it to become your signature thing. If you just got like a black vest, obviously more versatile, and if you rewear it, people aren't noticing it as much. But that's not the point of this vest. The point of this vest is to get noticed, to get looks. So that's the downside with something like this. I think rewearing it over and over, I don't know if you care about that. That's a thing to consider. But I think I'll wear it just the right amount. All right, moving along. Feature had a really good sale. So when I go for these pieces, those two I paid full price, the first two. But a lot of the stuff, hype streetwear and things, eventually go on sale. Not everyone can buy things at like the expensive prices that these items are. So just be patient. I tried to be patient with this Sherpa vest, and it went out of stock in a lot of places, so I got it when it restocked. So some things be patient on. The other version of this, there's a striped purple and green version that has gone on sale. You can find that same type of material on sale. So some things do go on sale. You gotta be patient. Other things sell out immediately, like this KITH crew neck. Sold out that morning in the first like 4 minutes. So other things you gotta cop when they drop. Other stuff though, you just wait. Gotta be patient. Things go on sale. The only problem is buying stuff on sale that you don't need. Sometimes it's such a good value, you're like, oh, I should get it because it's so cheap. As in the case with some of this stuff. So you gotta be mindful of what you buy, because you just might not need it. And just buying things because it's cheap isn't always the right move. That's the way you end up with a lot of junk. So got some Nike sports shorts for the lady. Don't have to go over them. They look comfy. Couldn't go wrong. They were on sale. These retail for $35. I think I got them for like 20 or less than 20, 18. So that, in my mind, good present. Pick something up for the lady, keep her happy. This Nike sportswear shirt was half off. Orange might not be everyone's color, but $25. Nike crew neck. I know I just bought another crew neck that I just showed you, but I couldn't pass this up. Having a couple good Nike basic crew necks, I think is good to have in the arsenal, in the collection, in the wardrobe. Soft there. Not the highest quality, you know, at the end of the day. This was made in, Vietnam. Much lower thread count than that KITH piece. This is made out of, I think, probably partially polyester. And let's see here. What is this made out of? 80% cotton, 20% polyester. Yeah. So 80-20 blend, pretty thin, but again, can wear this with a lot of stuff. Kind of matches my Mars Landing Air Max 90s a little bit. Could wear that with these. So there you go. Anyways, keep your eye out for sales. All the retailers, feature, exhibition, Dark Side Initiative, all those shops that, you know, we all know of and enter shoe raffles for. They have end of year sales bodega. They have sales periodically throughout the year. Good place to cop stuff at not full price. Like, you do not want to be paying full price if you can avoid it for Stone Island stuff. Very expensive. I only have a pair of Stone Island shorts. So I've been wanting, since the pandemic and people have been working from home, myself included, I've been wanting some more high quality, comfy homeware. And so I decided to cop these, let's see here, these cargo pants. These tend to run, Stone Island, in my opinion, tends to run a little small. So I went up a size. I'm a husky boy, I went XXL. I'm hoping in the future these will be too big for me. Prayers for me. So yeah, this is my first pair of Stone Island cargo pants. They look, you know, pretty high quality, comfy. You got your branding on the side, classic Stone Island patch on the side. And yeah, these retail for pretty expensive, but on sale, still expensive, but more affordable. So again, if you want a Stone Island piece or two, I would highly recommend holding off copping things on sale at end of season sales. Now, if it's a collab or something, it probably sell out. But yeah, I can't wait to wear these around the house. These look super comfy, higher quality. Can wear these out to get coffee, can wear these out to the movie theater, can just wear these out in general. And it's not like your average pair of sweatpants that you get from like Uniqlo or Target or whatever. So that's the purpose of these. So I'm happy to have these. Can't wait to use them. And these I also got from Feature. So pro tip, I see a lot of streetwear resale shops, secondary market shops, reselling Fear of God essential stuff, which, you know, it's a popular hot item, high heat item. It's like your uniform, standard uniform for streetwear and hype beasts. Well, certain websites like Feature, you can just sign up to be notified and get invoiced. So I would take a look at that before I go and pay resale for some of this stuff. These, they just invoiced me after I put my name down for an invoice. In 2 days, I got an email saying, go ahead, complete your purchase. So look for that option. This is the Fear of God Basics line. So I wouldn't pay resale for this stuff. They're going to keep pumping this stuff out, keep trying to make money. In my mind, there's no reason to play secondary market prices for this stuff. It's expensive as it is. So these, I got the volley shorts. You have your signature long drawstrings in the front, but not quite as long as usual. I'm wearing some Fear of God sweatpants shorts right now, and they have like these things down to my ankles. I don't know how well these shorts are going to age. In like 5, 6, 7 years, are we going to look back at this fad and be like, I look ridiculous? Probably. At least you can then lace these shorter in that case, or cut them. But these, I think, look a little bit more normal, air quotes normal. So cop these, again, in line with the work from home clothes, but higher quality work from home clothes. I got these in, what color is these? What color are these? Pistachio. This is the pistachio color. So I think this just go with, you know, good basic to go with lots of stuff. Again, you got your 3M. Is that 3M? On my shorts, it's 3M. I think this is reflective. Maybe it's not 3M brand reflective, but it's a reflective logo. At least on my sweatpants shorts are. I think here too. Yep. Great shorts that you can wear to go get coffee at Starbucks, wear out, throw a t-shirt, vintage t-shirt with, and yeah, they're great. So there's a good view of them. I'm sorry if I've not been displaying these properly. You probably haven't got good views of any of these items. But you know what the sweatshirt looked like. I laid that out for you and laid the vest out for you. And you know what a Nike sweatshirt looks like. Here's the pants, if you didn't get a good look. And they display them better online. This is more about seeing them up close and seeing the material. You'll get better pictures online. But this is about actually someone handling the material in front of you. Not a real cinched cuff at the bottom, I will point out that. These aren't like slim fit or anything, but they're not especially baggy either. So I will point out that. There is a zipper there on the pants, so that's kind of nice. You don't got to do the pull down thing at the urinal like a 12-year-old. So there is that. And here's the pants, a zipper cargo pocket. So I hope you stuck around for the video, because I kind of went out of order there on showing some stuff. If you stuck around for the video, you got all the details. If you cut out, then you missed some of the stuff. Snap back pocket, because I jumped around here. That's just, you know, how I do it on this channel. If you know, you know, I'm a little impromptu, not super organized. If I had to put more effort into these, I wouldn't make them. You do got pockets on the shorts. Love it. Great tennis shorts, too. If you play tennis, these would make great tennis shorts. Fashionable, expensive tennis shorts. These were not on sale on Feature. This stuff sells out routinely, or they go through the inventory routinely, so this stuff rarely goes on sale. The Fear of God Essentials stuff. The Stone Island things and all this other stuff from Feature I did get on sale. These did not. So yeah, there is the video. That is my unboxing. Can't wait to try out these clothes. Let me know in the comments if you like these apparel unwrapping videos, what you think of them, or just you really prefer sneaker videos. Like your feedback, and while you're giving me feedback, if you could give me a subscribe, maybe even a like. Who knows, if you're feeling super charitable, maybe even a like. That would be great. See you soon with some more Low Heat.